Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate photos or videos in Canva. So there is an animate feature on Canva that you can use for photos or videos, and here I'm going to show you through this tutorial. First, you can just prepare the photos and also video that you want to edit. Then click on the photo. For example, I want to animate this photos right here. You can click on the photo and choose animate. Now you can just select the animate that you want. You can see there's this general suggested add-on effects. You can use also flicker or pulse and wiggle. So there's also there are some feature or new animation for your photos and video that you can use. So for example, I'm going to just use this sketch. You can click on the animations and choose to animate both on enter or on exit. So just choose which one. I'm going to just go to on enter, and here you can also choose the style if you like it. So this will be the result for the photo. And if you want to animate video, you can also do the same. Just click on a video. This is the video, for example, and tap on animate. Then choose the animations that you want. So there's simple, sleek, fun, party. Let's try to chill. Or there's also vibe. So just choose which one for your video. And that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.